Hello fellow makeup lovers, welcome back for another day of Indie Miss. I am super excited for this video because I'm going to be sharing with you all of the things that I bought for Black Friday from different indie brands, so many small businesses, so many eyeshadow palettes. It always takes me a little while to make this video each year because shopping from indie brands on Black Friday typically means it's going to be a little bit before it makes it to me, but everything is here and I cannot wait to share it all with you. But before we jump in, I do want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. I love Ana Luisa. If you're not familiar with them, they are a beautiful jewelry company. They make the daintiest, cutest, high quality pieces. They have up to 35% off site-wide right now, and there's only a few days left if you want to shop them and make sure that it arrives before Christmas, because honestly, any of their pieces would make a really great gift. Right now, I'm wearing the Nate hoops, which are literally like the tiniest little huggy hoops, like so cute, so delicate, so dainty. They actually do have options now for majority of their jewelry to do gold or silver, but I am a gold girl 100,000%. And then I also have their Paris Pavé hoops to share with you. These are super cute as well. Very perfect for all the holiday parties and just, I don't know, I feel like they look so elegant, so festive. I actually have these ones in the smaller size as well, and I love them, but I feel like the bigger ones are just like a little extra fun. But like I said, up to 35% off. It's their biggest sale of the year. I will have everything linked down below. Definitely recommend checking them out. Now let's jump on into the haul. So I was just looking at all the boxes and little shipping bags that I have right here, and I knew I had to start with this box from Divina because I think that this is the order that I'm the most excited about. And thank God I was able to get everything I wanted because I was having trouble checking out. So here's what it looks like. I just pulled out the little order confirmation that had my shipping address on it, but I picked up their new eyeshadow palette. This is the Fantasia palette, and this is supposed to be Divina's first like pre-made palette. And oh, okay, so it's actually empty and the shadows are in the box and you have to put it together. I wasn't expecting that. Give me 1 second. Okay, so that took a moment, but here is what it looks like. It's like this really pretty mixture of some purples. There's a little bit of warmth. I don't know, I love like purple and peachy tones together. The shimmers all look super beautiful, and it has been a minute since I purchased something from Divina, so I felt like this was the one, and it just looks really, really pretty. So I definitely want to do a video on that separately. I don't know that I'm going to do a bunch of swatching right now because there's so much eyeshadow to be talked about. And then from Divina, I also picked up their 2 new eyeshadow primers, which is especially convenient because I'm so excited to try these. And the eyeshadow primer that I've been using the last few months, I just finished yesterday. So there is the Specular Sparkle and Shimmer Glue Base, which I have a feeling is going to be kind of similar to like the NYX Glitter Glue. Oh my goodness, this packaging. It's so cool looking. It's like, it's a vibe. It looks, oh, it's so cool. Okay. And it's actually a really big tube, which is nice. I feel like I might be able to use this glitter base for the rest of my life. There is the possibility. So I love a base like this to make your shadows last longer and just help with wear time and help with fallout. Just super, super nice for like those more textured, sparkly shadows. And then they also came out with the Prelusion Eye Base Primer, which is supposed to be more of like a typical eye primer. And again, packaging is so cool, like so unique and fun and huge. Like this is so much eye primer. So I just need to like do a little swatch. I just need to try. It has a little bit of a color to it. It actually blurs out to be pretty sheer. So I'm excited. I don't know if this is going to be like my perfect eye primer because I tend to prefer a base that has color to it, like the Anastasia one, P. Louise. So we will just have to see and test those out together. Is this something you guys would like to see a whole video on, like a wear test or something like that? Okay, next for more eyeshadow palettes, I have here my 2 palettes from Clarity, which I got on their like Black Friday. The palettes are free, you just pay for shipping deal, which I already have a full video live on my channel about that in case you're wanting to see like swatches of everything in these palettes and wanted to see all my opinions, because it had been years since I tried Clarity Cosmetics and I don't want to give it away, so go watch that video if you want to see my thoughts, but I will show you the palettes. So there is the Safari palette, which is a really pretty, just like super colorful little moment. And then the shades that I liked the most were out of this Evil Mermaid palette. Super, super pretty color story. Love the blue, the green, the purple, like so cute. That was a really good deal. Okay, next I have an order here from Cosmic Brushes, which technically I ordered a little bit before Black Friday, but I think that I got one of the palettes in here on sale and I just thought we could include it. You guys already know I had to get their new Winter Wonderland palette. It is so freaking cute. Like, you've got to be joking. Oh, it's gorgeous. Okay. So here's what she looks like. Oh, here's what she looks like. It is so stunning. I love all the colors. This multi-chrome looks so intense, so sparkly. Yeah, so I picked that up on launch. And then while I was there, I was like, let me just grab another palette from them because this one I was very interested in last time I made an order and it was out of stock. But it's not something I would just order on its own because the shipping is a little bit expensive. They are a UK-based brand. So I'm like, I want to order like more than one thing at a time, you know? So this is the Muse palette, and I know this is kind of old news. I was not on the Cosmic Brushes bandwagon when they came out, but I'm here for it, and it looks like such a pretty like grungy fall palette. Look at this one. So stunning. Oh my gosh, this shade Water Lily, Inspire, Patina, Antique. Oh, these are all so beautiful. So I cannot wait to dig into these. I also have an order here from Glaminatrix, which I already filmed a video on. I was like trying to like hold off and like wait for this haul, but I just couldn't help myself. So this is the Fairy Lights palette, and again, I ordered this one a little bit before Black Friday, but it's still an indie brand, it's still a makeup haul. It's being included. So this is the new Fairy Lights palette, which is so, so pretty. It's like for the neutral lovers who just want like that pop of shimmer. It is gorgeous. I love the shade Star maybe the most. So that's all the makeup I ordered for Black Friday, but I also grabbed some different like clothing type items and accessories from different small businesses, so I figured I'd share that with you guys as well. So first I picked up a tucky, and if you're not familiar, this is like a band that goes around underneath your shirt and then you can tuck your shirt into it, and it's supposed to be comfortable and secure, and it has like the ability for you to choose where you want the band to be more than just like tucking your shirt into your bra, which for me is like a little too short of a crop. And then it's also supposed to be like more flattering than like tucking it into your pants, because like sometimes it looks cute depending on the shirt, sometimes it doesn't. So I saw that they had like a sale on the TikTok shop, and I just decided to try it. So it comes in like a little bag, and the sizing was a little confusing because on their website and on their TikTok shop the sizing is different, and I messaged them and they said that the TikTok sizing was more accurate. So I ended up going with like the medium large because I wear a size 10 in pants mostly, so I thought that this would be better. And I also got the more nude shade, which is actually pretty similar to my skin tone, because I thought like it might, I don't know, just be more hidden, but I don't know that it matters. So it has like a little grippy here, and then I guess you can just, you know, you just put it on, you tuck your shirts in. I'm super, super excited to try this out, and I know that there's other brands out there that have like similar products, but this was the OG and they were on Shark Tank, so it's super fun. I also picked up a bra on a Black Friday sale, and you guys, this bra literally looks crazy. I have worn it already, so that's why it looks even crazier. But here's what it looks like, and it's called the Nudie System T-bra, I think. The reason I wanted to get this is because it has like multiple straps that are supposed to be super stretchy to where you can literally like, you can put them together if you want to, or you can put them all to one side and have like a one shoulder look, and you can adjust it either way. You can like crisscross them like around your neck and have like your shoulders open. So it's supposed to be super versatile just depending on your shirt. And they actually do sell an accessory kit to where you can like clip it even more ways. And originally I was like, like, I don't need the accessory kit. But as soon as I tried it on, I was like, wow, this is super comfy, like super useful. And I thought like I was trying to do like a little one side moment, and I thought maybe I could just use bobby pins, but that did not work. So I ended up actually ordering the accessory kit yesterday. But this is a super cool bra, super innovative. On their website, they just call it boob wear, which I think is kind of fun. And yeah, I definitely recommend checking them out. I'm not going to try it on for you guys or anything because it's very scandalous. Okay guys, so next I have an order here from Willow Boutique. I mean, you can see these are some very bright pink pants, and they are a TikTok shop that like they advertise themselves as a small business, but I think that their clothes are definitely like things that they're buying wholesale. So like I would definitely purchase it on a discount or like on a Black Friday sale. I wouldn't pay full price, just me personally. But my sister actually ordered some of their pants and they were super cute. So she influenced me to buy them. And unfortunately, their sizing is a little weird. I got the same exact pants in medium in 3 different colors, and 2 of the colors fit and 1 of them does not. It's too small. So I actually need to exchange the one that doesn't fit, which is annoying because you have to pay to exchange it. It's like in the future, like, is that going to be my size? Is it going to work? Is it not going to work? Because sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know. But overall, I still feel like they're worth mentioning because they have like these super cute, like stretchy, like denim, like more like jegging material. And I wanted these pink pants for like a girls' night. I have like sparkly boots that I think would look so cute under them. Amanda, Makeup Just for Fun, if you're watching this, please go out with me so that we can have a girls' night. Because that's what I want these pants to be used for. They're also super long. I'm 5'9", and these are like long on me, so that is everything. I love that, and they're super comfy. So I got the pink, and then I also got a pair of olive, which I've actually already worn. Love them. The pink are like slightly see-through, like if you're wearing black underwear underneath it, not the move. The olive ones, not so much. And then the ones that don't fit me that I have in the bag still are just like a black pair. And they're cute, but they were so tight around my waist. It was just not happening, not comfortable. I know if I kept them, I would literally never wear them. I have mixed feelings because they're so cute, so comfortable, so flattering. But yeah, I wish that the medium was like the same size across the board. Last but not least, I ordered from this business called Sweet Mayhem, which again is from a TikTok shop. They sell like the fleece lined leggings, but I was really about these because I saw so many good reviews and I've always wanted to buy some. Like they're the leggings that are like super warm on the inside, but they look sheer on the outside. And they're like a lot more durable than actually wearing tights. They're more warm, but these ones are not like the foot ones, which I hate. You will not catch me wearing anything where like the feet goes all the way like into like a sock because it's just not happening. It's so uncomfortable. This just has like a little like piece to like hold them down, but they're perfect. They look so sheer when you're wearing them. It's so trippy. Something that I thought was nice about this store is I've seen a lot of brands selling these, but this is the only one that I've noticed they actually had an option for if you have a light skin tone or if you have a deep skin tone, because like if you're wearing these and they're like stretched, it looks like you have white legs. So like more than one shade would be helpful. And like I said, this is the only brand that I've seen do that. Alright y'all, so that is everything I picked up for Black Friday from different indie brands. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this one. Like I said, I will have everything linked down below. I highly recommend checking them out, especially while they're having their biggest sale. That's going to be everything. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!